My name is Jen, and this is my channel, Embracing Chaos. If you're new here, welcome, and if you are a returning friend, welcome back. I'm very excited to have every single one of you here today. Got my coffee. What did y'all think of my new little coffee treat? I don't know why, but adding a little bit of the sugar-free Ready Whip on top with some of those sprinkles just makes me feel all kinds of fancy. And it makes the flavor pop just a little bit too. So, welcome to another day in a life, what I eat in a day video. I'm having a lot of fun doing these with you guys. Today I am going to be at home for the most part. I don't really have anything planned. I know that I am going to be setting up a grocery pickup because I need groceries really bad. However, I will probably be posting that in a separate video for a haul. So stay tuned for that one. I might have a few things that I show you depending on what I get because it is me and I tend to stray just a little bit. As far as other plans for the day, I'm just planning on cleaning my house. Like always, it's an unending thing and it's exhausting. I think I'm going to retire from that and just start working as a nurse full-time instead. Didn't work, did it? It's not so bad. Okay, all right. Squirrel, squirrel, squirrel. Just in case I haven't lost anybody yet. Yeah, thanks for sticking with me on that one. Jeez, Lil Pete's, Jen. But what do I always say, guys? It's chaos. It's in the name of the channel. You knew what you were getting when you clicked on it. All right, guys. I'm getting a little hungry for breakfast, so I'm going to start cooking my breakfast now. I have my donut pan here. I'm going to cover that with some extra virgin olive oil. Then I'm going to fill up my donut pan with these cage-free egg whites. Then I'm going to sprinkle just a little bit of this ketchup flavored seasoning on top. All right, there we go. I'm going to put these in a 350-degree oven for about 8 minutes. I might need to add a little bit of time. I'll let you know. All right, these are cooked for 8 minutes. While these are cooling, I'm going to get the rest of my breakfast ready. I'm going to go ahead and get started with my English muffin. Does not look good. These are the Aunt Millie's Live Carb Smart English Muffins. They're okay. I do like the Thomas Light Whole Wheat just a little bit better. These tend to have a bitter taste to me, but they're definitely not bad. So let me go ahead and get this cut in half, and then I'll be back to show you how I cook these in the air fryer. All right, here's my new air fryer. Don't be jealous. Go ahead and turn this on. I'm going to open up the drawer here. Toss these in. What's it doing? I'm gonna turn up the temp to 400 and we do these for 4 minutes. All right, here we go. All right, English muffin is done and out of the toaster. Very, very crunchy. Ooh-wee. I went ahead and put one of my eggs on top of it. Then I'm going to put a Velveeta slice on top of that. That's what the package for that looks like. I'll be putting a little bit of mustard on top of the cheese. I'm going to add it to the top bun instead. I didn't shake it good enough. Lovely. All right. Just adds a little pop of flavor. And then I will be having a cup of my tiramisu light and fit Greek yogurt. So English muffins are 2 points, cheese is 1, so that's 3 points for this, and 2 points for the yogurt, so this is my 5-point breakfast. Hello, me again with my star goggles on because I'm reading in my cookbook and I want to be able to tell you about my lunch. Pretty simple lunch here. I've got a bowl of strawberries with sugar-free Ready Whip on them for 0 points. Then I've got one of the low-fat sticks of string cheese. It's a mozzarella string cheese for 1 point. And then I'm having 1 serving of this right here. And this is what I'm going to tell you about. This is a classic chicken pot pie from Hungry Girl's Southern Comfort Cookbook. I don't know why I thought Hungry Girl cookbooks had the point values in it. I have it figured out on my WW app, so I'll just have to put it down here because I really don't remember. I don't even know what to tell you as far as what my point value is for lunch. So there you go. My mystery point lunch. Ta-da! I'm so funny. Can you tell I'm tired? I'm so tired. And then also, let me grab my scissors real quick. Let me know if any of you guys have ever experienced this. Standing at my kitchen, cooking my dinner, and I glance out my window and see the back of an Amazon truck driving out of my driveway. I don't even know what I ordered, but there's a package here with my name on it. So I figured I must have ordered something. Maybe it's food related, I don't know. Let's open it together and figure out what Chaos Jenn's mystery Amazon package is. Oh, I'm sure once I see it, I'll be like, oh yeah. Oh yeah. See, now I remember. I do remember these. How I ended up with these. Well, Steve and I were laying around watching YouTube and I came across one of those Amazon finds videos. Gosh darn if I didn't spend 20 bucks watching that video. But I'm really excited about what I got. So here's what I saw on the YouTube video that made me get on Amazon in the first place. These are really cool. Ooh, they're flexible. Can you tell what that is? Okay, I'll tell you what it is. This is a cord keeper for appliances. So like my KitchenAid mixer or my air fryer, because I have 2 of them now that I'm not using. What you do is this back is a sticker. Oh, I don't want to pull it off all the way. And so you stick this to the back or the side of an appliance. Then you can wrap the cord around this part. And then this part right here is where the end of the plug goes. So your cords aren't, there's a fly now. Jeez. Chaos. What would it be for me to have one day in my life without chaos? Chaos. Chaos. You're welcome. So anyways, so your cords aren't hanging all over the place. I have no clue how much I paid for this. Yeah, there's not a receipt in there, so I will look it up on Amazon and post it down at the bottom of the screen too. But I got a bunch of them. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 of them. So yeah, those are cool. And then while I was looking, when I added these to my cart, I got one of those pop-ups that said, people who ordered your item also ordered these. So I felt like I needed to get 30 chip clips. Yeah. I don't feel like these colors match these colors very well. I want some color-coordinated chip clips. What a ripoff. But these, I believe I paid $7.99 for, if I remember right. And I needed more chip clips. I've been using clothespins forever, but Brendan borrowed them the other day, and he swears he brought them back upstairs and put them in the drawer, but somehow I've lost probably about 30 clothespins. So, yeah. I'm sure he was just outside hanging up laundry, right? Whatevs. So, there's my mystery Amazon haul. That's kind of exciting. What kinds of stuff do you guys get in your mystery Amazon hauls? I mean, you think if you ordered something, you want it so you'd remember what it is. What kind of stuff do you forget you guys ordered? Let me know down in the comments, because that's kind of funny. Yeah, leave it to me. So, all right, there you go, my mystery Amazon haul. I'm starving, so I'm going to hop off the camera here and get started on my lunch. I'll see you guys in a few. Toodaloo. All right, guys. It's like 8 o'clock at night, and I am just sitting down to eat dinner. I am exhausted. I feel like every time I record a day in a life, there's like a major event. And everybody's okay. It's not that kind of a major event this time. But guys, my stinking water heater went out. So we have to have somebody come back. We had somebody come out today. And they looked at it. And then they're going to have somebody come out tomorrow and get estimates. And then hopefully we'll have a new water heater because ours is just shot, apparently. I don't know anything about water heaters. So we'll have a new one by Wednesday. So we're going to be boiling water to bathe and do dishes for 2 days. That's fun. That's fun. It's fun, right? It's fine. It's chaos. And I'm done chaosing today. So I'm going to show you my dinner. And then I'm going to close out my video. Because I need to go to bed. Needless to say, ran out of time this evening. I had every intention of making a crock pot meal, but that didn't pan out, even though it was going to be super simple. It didn't work. So we ordered out. I don't normally do this. In fact, we've really been trying to watch how much money we spend on food lately, but today was just an exception. And like I said, I'm just flat out exhausted. So we ended up getting Papa John's. I got this veggie poppable, I think is what they call it. It's basically like a crustless pizza. This entire thing, and it's big. I mean, I don't know if you can see, like it's bigger than my hand. And I have big hands because I'm tall and yeah. So anyways, it is 12 points. Might seem hefty, but it's got cheese on it. I know that they had to use some oils for the vegetables and stuff like that, so I'm not going to complain. That leaves me with 4 points today. I might have a snack later, but most likely not. I think I'm going to eat dinner. I'm going to brush my teeth and go to bed because I'm that tired. So 4 points left out of 31. So that is 27 out of 31 points, which I think is what I had for my last day in a life. I'm very consistent, aren't I? Yes, I am. All right, guys. Like I said, I'm going to show you my dinner and I'm going to close out the video. Thank you all so very much for joining me today. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below. I will get back to you as soon as I can. If you haven't already, if you give this video a thumbs up, I'd really appreciate it. If you're not a member of my YouTube family, guys, I'd love the chance to get to know you better. All you have to do is click on that little button down in the corner and we'll be instant YouTube family. And until next time, guys, keep smiling. Bye.